Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be cooking black beans, and as we will be cooking these black beans, I will share some thoughts on finding purpose, because just like cooking, life is about bringing different elements together to create something meaningful. I'm using dry beans for this recipe, so I went ahead and soaked it overnight to facilitate the cooking process. This reminds me of how we often need preparation and patience to discover our purpose. It is not instant, it takes time to develop. Did I tell you what purpose is? Purpose is your reason for being. It is the thing that gets you out of bed every morning. For some, it is raising a family. For others, it is creating, serving, or inspiring. Just like beings are fundamental part of many cultures, purpose is the fundamental force that nourishes our soul. I will first of all cook the beans half done, and then I will change the water. As the beans boil, you will notice this dark water coming out. It's natural, it's part of the process. But to make the beans truly delicious and wholesome, we will have to drain out that black water. In life, we all have things we need to let go of. It could be fear, doubt, bad habits, or even negative people. These things could cloud our vision and stop us from discovering our purpose. And just like we drain this water to make our beans clean and ready, we need to clear out what's holding us back. Only then can we see our life clearly and focus on what really matters. Take a look at these beans now, fresh and ready to soak in all the good flavors. That is what happens when you let go of the unnecessary. We make space for what nourishes us and brings out the best in our lives. After which, I will add some water and bring it to cook until it's completely done. I will go ahead and add some salt, bouillon blocks, and oil. I will also be using ginger, garlic, onion, some dry pepper, celery sticks, and black pepper. Now, the next thing is for us to add our blended spices, which brings richness to this dish. Purpose does the same for life. It makes everything more meaningful even during tough times. When you have purpose, challenges feel more like stepping stones than obstacles. and then I will stir the mixture and allow it to boil. This step is about letting the flavor blend, just like life's experiences blend to reveal your purpose. Every joy and struggle adds a unique flavor to who you are. So, how then can you discover your purpose? Here are 5 steps to guide you. Step number 1, reflect on what brings you joy. Think about what makes you lose track of time. Just like I get lost in the rhythm of cooking, that's a clue to your purpose. Number 2, identify your strengths. Your strengths are like spices. They bring out the best in a dish. What are you naturally good at? Your talents are often points to your purpose. Number 3, think about the world's need. Purpose is about connection, using your gift to make a difference. Ask yourself, how can I use what I have to serve others? The 4th thing for you is to embrace your life experiences. Just like beans takes time to absorb flavor, your life experiences shape your purpose. Even your struggles can be a source of strength and direction. Number 5, take small steps. Purpose doesn't always appear fully formed. No, start with small actions, just like adding 1 ingredient at a time. For me, cooking started as a way to connect with my roots and bring joy to others. Over time, it became part of my purpose to inspire and nourish people, not just with food, but with words of encouragement. This journey wasn't always clear, but every step brought me closer to where I am today. Finding your purpose is a journey. Don't rush it. Be patient and trust that every experience, like every ingredient, is part of the process. Now that our beans is ready, I will just go ahead and serve it. It is best for you to eat beans when it is warm. Here are some practical tips for you to take into consideration. Spend 10 minutes daily reflecting on your passion. Try new activities to discover what resonates with you. And thirdly, talk to people who inspire you. Purpose, like every good meal, is something you create with care, patience, and love. So, what is the one step you would take today to discover your purpose? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who might need some inspiration. And don't forget to try my beans recipe, for it is as fulfilling as finding your purpose. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and have a wonderful day ahead. I will catch you in my next video. See you. Bye.